Now then, you've heard me talk about mom and pop shops and bread and butter restaurants. These basically are necessities if you're spending any time over in Thailand and indeed Phuket. Whether you're a tourist looking to save some money or you're staying here a little bit longer and just want to make sure that you budget correctly and get some good quality food but not always paying tourist prices. Well, today I've got another one of those excellent little shops to come and visit. The lady that runs it, or should I say grandma, because it's grandma's cooking, so you would call it a mom and pop or a bread and butter restaurant, whichever way you want to look at it. We're going to go in a moment, we're going to take a look at the menu, and believe it or not, prices start here at 50 baht. Yes, 50 baht, and we're in the heart of Chalong. Just behind me is the Chalong Circle. So right in the middle, a lot of expats live here, a lot of locals live here. Of course, they stay away from the main tourist areas because it can be expensive living there. So let's go in and find out what this little place has to offer. Let's now dive into the menu and see what the shop has to offer. Of course, it's going to be mainly Thai food, these little mom and pop shops or grandma shops. They're going to do classic Thai food, and this is really a staple if you're out here any time. And as you can see, I wasn't lying, we've got garlic and pepper pork chicken with rice, 50 baht. We've also got omelettes with a choice of different proteins, pork, shrimp, whatever you want, 50 baht starting from, and then we'll work our way through. And actually, for a small shop, it's got a reasonable menu. As you can see, plenty of dishes. We've got seafood on there, so if you fancy a little bit of squid, shrimp, we've got that. If you're not into seafood, we've got pork, we've got chicken, lots of curries to pick from. And it's all cooked outside the front of the shop, all fresh. Lots and lots of choice, 60 baht, 80 baht, so it's definitely not going to be breaking the bank. And this is a place that you can come as often as you want. She even sells beer. That's going to please a lot of people. So soft drinks, 20 baht, not expensive. Beers, 45 baht, wow. And then of course water. So me and Nat, as always, we're going to decide on what we're eating. We're going to try a few different dishes. Very good reviews on this restaurant, so I'm looking forward to the food because I've checked it out. And then once the food arrives, I'll come back to it.
I want to order this.
Okay, you order what you want. Okay, order that then.
เอาเป็นน้ำพริกเผาหมูเป็นกับข้าว
Now then, check this out. What a spread we have here. All cooked by grandma. Freshly prepared, as you've seen, all done by herself. So you do have to wait a little bit, be patient, but this is well worth the wait. And the smell of this food is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to tucking into this. So what have we ordered? Well, we've ordered an omelette.
Chicken.
So we've got a chicken minced omelette, and then we have pork with chili paste.
Yeah.
We have chicken with ginger, and I've had a pork, garlic and pepper, and the smell's fantastic. But as this is classic Thai food, I'm going to let my wife Nat start. So over to you, Nat. What are your first impressions?
Yeah, look nice. I taste this one first. น้ำพริกเผาหมูผัดน้ำพริกเผา
So we've got pork with chili paste. Oh, quick reaction there, good. Now I did notice Grandma testing and tasting everything as she was cooking, which is always a good sign of a good cook.
Ginger.
Yeah, chicken with ginger.
Chicken.
That I really like.
ไก่ผัดพริกไก่ผัดขิง
Okay.
You fry the king first. This king.
Yeah, I know. It smells delicious. Okay, so we've got the omelette with minced chicken inside. We've find this everywhere you go in Thailand. It's a very classic. It's a dish that you can have on the side. With
ไข่เจียวหมูสับไข่เจียวไก่สับออมเล็ต
เป็นไงคะรสชาติได้ไหม
อร่อยหมดเลยค่ะอร่อยหมดเลย ให้เขาลองอีกทีนี้อันนี้กาลิก
Yeah, you can try the garlic, pork, and pepper.
หมูเหรอ
Yeah.
หมูทอดกระเทียมอร่อยหมดเลยคุณป้า
อร่อยทุกอย่างนะ
ทุกอย่างเลย
Keep in mind that these dishes start from 50 baht, 50 baht, 60 baht. Wow. Value for money straight off the scale. Okay, now my turn.
I'm drooling at the mouth, I'm telling you. Grandma's just come and give Nat some extra stuff here. A little bit spicy though. What's that, Nat?
คั่วกิ้งสไปซี่ติ้งอันเน้นอะไรอ่ะ
Yeah. Oh, you like it. Okay, let's jump into this food. A little bit of rice, a little bit of the garlic, pepper on there. Let's give this a whirl. Cheers. When you look at it, you think there's a lot of garlic that comes, but the balance of the flavours are excellent, absolutely excellent. I mean, that looks like there's loads and loads of garlic, and all you would be able to taste would be the garlic. But you can taste the protein, the pork, as well as the garlic. If you like garlic and pork, then you need to try that out, because that is an exceptionally good dish. That's really rock, nice. But what we've gone for is one dish with the rice, as you can see. So mine's come with the rice, and then we've gone for the dishes without the rice, so you can just add into the rice. So this is Nat's chili paste dish, and I like chili paste. She's also had the pork as well. So let's give this a try. Cheers. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah I tell you
That one is right. That's not spicy, but that is delicious. Oh, that was really nice.
ยูออเดอร์ลองหลาเลย
Let's go. Next time. Okay. So, I've also ordered the chicken with garlic. Chicken with ginger. Don't confuse that. We've got onions in there. We've got peppers. We've got some carrots in there. Check that out.
แล้ว
The mushrooms getting away. Again, it looks like there's a lot of ginger on the top of that. The balance of flavours is good. Actually, it's all too well. That's a really nice dish. Okay. Omelette. Not much you can really say about an omelette, but of course this omelette has got to be mince inside. And you saw Grandma chopping the mince herself. So she actually buys the chicken breast and then makes it into mince. Not buys it already minced. Cheers. I like it because it's not got too much oil on.
Yeah not too much
Okay. I've got to say this is really a top one because we have our own favourite mum and pop shop. And that is excellent food. We've been going there quite a while now, over a year. And I have to really love it. I've got to say, Grandma's shop here is just as good, isn't it? Food, this one is natural. So, that is really nice. That one without a doubt, that's outstanding, that's a 5. That's straight up 5. I'm going to give this one a 4.9, but I feel a bit mean because it's nice as well. It's really, really good this one. You've got the balance of the garlic and the peppers. Very hard to score these because they're all equally as good. 4.9, 4.9, 5.
ไฟเลยอ่ะ
4.9. Yeah. What do you do?
Same.
You agree?
Yeah.
They're all very, very good dishes, and you can't go wrong ordering any of these. Now, as always, we're going to talk into this delicious food, and I will come back to you once we finish with my final thoughts. Summing up time, and I've got to say I'm amazed at how I keep finding these restaurants, because I seem to keep finding better and better ones, and I keep thinking to myself, it's not going to be possible to better the last restaurant. But I have to say, I've done it again. I am really surprised. Grandma has been here over 10 years. She did take a break to look after her mother, and she's actually 79 years old. Can you believe that? 79 years old, cooking these dishes. The food, I'm blown away by it. The dish that Nat ordered, the chili, as you can see, there's nothing left. We've demolished the lot. The chili paste, that is something you need to try. When you come here, you need to try that. That flavour on that is delicious. They've all been exceptionally good, but that one is the standout for me, and Nat will agree with me on this. She's mentioned it herself, that was delicious. And also the, I think it was chicken, wasn't it? Chicken with ginger I had. Yes, chicken with ginger, because I've had a few today. We've had a few dishes. The chicken with ginger, I said 4.9, but I'm going to upgrade it to a 5, because the way Grandma chopped that ginger, if you noticed on the top of the dish, it was very, very fine, and she also lightly fried it. That was another excellent dish. Just can't believe how nice the food. And then my pork garlic with the pepper, excellent dish again. Nice balance between the pepper and the garlic. Got it really spot on. But a good sign of a chef is a chef that tries the food as they're cooking it, tasting it, make sure it's right. And that's something that I noticed Grandma doing all the time she was cooking. She was sampling and making sure that the sauces were right. So this is a place that you've got to come and check out. And you're wondering, location wise, if you're staying in Katan Karon, this is a shop that you can easily access. If you're staying in Rawai, again, not too far away, and it is worth travelling for. She's open every day from about 9 o'clock in the morning till 6 in the evening. So well worth coming over and saying hello to Grandma, because she's lovely, really nice, and the food here is exceptionally good, and such pocket-friendly prices. You just can't go wrong by visiting this. Now, of course, as always, all the directions will be in my foodies map, which you can access through my member section of my YouTube channel, and membership starts for just 50 baht a month, and there's well over 50 restaurants on there now that are going to save you a lot of money if you're coming here to Phuket. There's all different types, so you've got European food, you've got Thai food. This one will be in there, so you will be able to find the exact location, no hassle at all, and it is somewhere that I would recommend you try. Now, if you've enjoyed the video, as always, do remember to give it a like, share on your social media to push the channel forward. I appreciate it. And of course, consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy this type of stuff. And don't forget now, I've got 2 other channels besides my food channel, the Moto channel, which is just been relaunched, and I'm busy doing videos for that, and of course my Explore channel. So that's where we go off and look at all the stuff outside the food. So coming to Thailand, you've got to try places like this. Don't be put off by the appearance of the outside, because you can get a lot of flashy looking restaurants that you think, oh, the food's going to be amazing, and most of the time it's a disappointment. But here, might not look that great from the outside, but the food is absolutely delicious. You won't be sorry you came here, that's for sure. And I guess that's it for this video. I will see you very soon. I eat, I ride, I explore. Until next time, I'll see you soon.